This video is part 2 of the Chromebook accessibility features, and it is going to be about the alternative input modes that are available to you for entering information when you're using your Chromebook, rather than just using the keyboard that is on your Chromebook. Some of these tools or features are the dictation tool and the on-screen keyboard, which allows for predictive typing and digital handwriting. To get to these features, you can click down in your system tray right by the time and look for this icon that says accessibility. If you do not see this icon, then click on the gear up on the top, which is your Chromebook settings. Scroll all the way down until you get to advanced, click on it, and then scroll further down until you see accessibility and make sure this button is toggled on. When this is toggled on, that is when you will see this icon in your system tray. So once you have made sure that the accessibility shortcut is toggled on and you see the icon over here, you can drop it down. And the first tool we're going to look at is the dictation tool. Clicking on it puts a check mark next to it, and you have a microphone icon down here at the bottom. When you click on this microphone icon, it will start recording. Now, the advantage of using this microphone that is part of the dictation tool on your Chromebook is that you can use it across the different Google apps, such as Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms. You can even use it to type up an email by dictating into your email account. Now, when you are within a Google Doc does have its own built-in voice typing tool. So if you go to Tools and click on Voice Typing, a microphone shows up. If this is the first time you're using the tool, you might be asked to give permissions to access the microphone by clicking Allow. Now, when I click on this microphone, it will start recording whatever I say. I am now using the voice typing tool in Google Docs. When I clicked the microphone again, it turned off and I'm done typing over here. I can also use this microphone down here. So if I click on it, it's my dictation tool. I am now using the microphone or the dictation tool that is part of my Chromebook. When I click on that microphone again, it turns off and I am done typing with the dictation tool. But if I'm on a Google form, for example, Google Form does not have a voice typing tool in here. So for this one, I can use my dictation tool. And if I go to where I need to type my first question in, I can click to make sure that I have selected that area. My cursor is blinking over here. I'm going to click on the microphone and type my first question in for a quiz or a survey. What is one of the most important rules you should follow for internet safety? By clicking on the microphone, I've turned it off. Now, if I click for my option 1, I can do the same thing that I did before. By clicking on the microphone, I can start typing in my answer choices. The same feature can be used for typing in an email. I can click, so my cursor is in the place I want to. And now once I click on the microphone, I can start typing my email. Hello, everybody, comma. This is the test of using the dictation tool to voice type my email, period. So as you can see, I was able to use my dictation tool to type up my email, and all I have to do now is fix the spacing. This is a very useful tool for students who might get frustrated typing, and it may be easier for them to go ahead and use the dictation tool to voice type and put down their thoughts. So that is one of the accessibility features that can be used as an alternative input mode. The other one is the on-screen keyboard. And for that, I'm going to go back to my system tray, go to accessibility. I'm going to turn off my dictation. and I'm going to pick my on-screen keyboard. As soon as I click this, I get a check mark next to it. And down at the bottom over here, I have an icon of a keyboard. When I'm ready to start typing, as I start typing the word internet, because I want to type the sentence, internet safety is a good thing to learn about, for example. So, internet. And as I type the word safety, it pops up and predicts the word for me. So I'm going to click on internet safety is a good thing to. So as you can see, I got all of those words just by predictive typing. Now I need to type in the word learn. And I have the prediction over here, and it tells me about. So I was able to type this sentence, internet safety is a good thing to learn about, by just starting the words and then using my predictions down here. There's also the built-in microphone on this on-screen keyboard. I can click on this one. I am now using the built-in microphone on the on-screen keyboard. And when I clicked that blinking blue circle, the recording stopped and the typing ended up here. The other thing I can also do is use the handwriting tool that is on my on-screen keyboard. I now have my cursor where I want it. I'm going to click on the digital handwriting tool, and I can either use a stylus or my finger on my touchscreen Chromebook and start writing. And as I was writing here with my finger, it predicted and picked up and converted my handwriting to digital writing. When I'm done, I can click the keyboard icon and my on-screen keyboard comes back. So these are some of the different ways I can use my on-screen keyboard to work with either predictive writing or using the built-in microphone or the digital handwriting, and of course the other tool, which was the dictation tool. When I'm done with my on-screen keyboard, I can click on the keyboard icon and it collapses back down into my taskbar. So these are some of the different tools and features that you can use on your Chromebook for alternative input modes. I hope some of these features will be of help to you and or your students.